Hello everyone. In the last video, we find out how to use a very cool, very useful plugin in Vim, which is NERDTree. So the problem we have when using NERDTree that we need to run a command NERDTreeToggle to open and close the NERDTree. So if you want to open and close it many times, then you need to type NERDTreeToggle many times. And I think that is will a lot of work, and you will feel like frustrated about that. Let's review it real quick. Okay, then I open a header.php, and now if I want to open a node-tree toggle, if I want to open a node-tree, then I need to run a command node-tree toggle. Okay, so if I want to close this, I need to run node-tree toggle. So if now I open a new tab or I open a new file, I open new project, I want to open a node-tree again, then I need to run node-tree toggle. I want to close this, I need to run node-tree toggle, and it's a lot of typing. So I wonder that do we have any way to have like a shortcut. Then when I type the comma with T, it will open a node-tree for you. For me, it means that it will run the command node-tree toggle. And if I type comma with a T again, it will run a node-tree toggle command for me again. Then I don't need to type NERDTree toggle every time I want to open or close a NERDTree. So that will be very, very good. How can I have it in Vim? So in Vim we have things we call mapping. So it will help us to map the command into some key, and we can map it in our key, and we call it shortcut. Okay. So let's say that if you want to have a mapping, first of all, you should have a map leader. So it's kind of best practice to do that. And map leader will have you to uh, s- separate between the Vim command and your mapping. So now open the VimRC. So if you want to set a map leader, you will let map leader equal to. So in this case, I will set my map leader to the comma. Okay, and so now my leader is a comma. Okay, and now if you want to map a command to some key on your keyboard, then you will do like this thing, no map, and I will leader the leader here will call the map leader, which is my comma, and I will type T. So this means leader and T mean that I press comma and I press T. So what it will run? It will run the command node-tree toggle. Okay, and if you just stop at right here, it just run the node-tree toggle for you, and you need to enter. So let's try that. Vim header.php. So now I press comma and T. You will see that the comma below it become a node-tree toggle. It's very cool, but you need to tap enter to actually run it. So we have a way to when you run this you you use the shortcut and it will enter for you. That's it. Okay, here is it. No tree toggle, and you add CRR in here. Is carriage return. So it's normally an enter on your keyboard. So okay, save it again. And now I open a header.php. And now I have a shortcut that the comma plus with a T, then it will toggle another tree. Then I will press comma T. Oh, sorry, what happened? Comma T. Oh, seems like we've. Oh, uh, okay. Sorry. I don't know why it's not focused on my file. So let's open it again. Vim header dot php here. Okay, nice. And now I will map leader which is a comma and T. Done. What guy up wh- what uh what did it do? So it's do like this. It when we type comma and T, then it will map this one to NERDTree toggle. Okay, so I don't think that this is a good place. Okay, so let's go to VIM. So this guy when we leader plus T, it will press leader in this case is a comma and with a T. Okay, so when you press leader with T, it will run the command NERDTree toggle and it will enter for you. So it will run NERDTreeToggle uh, ev- every time you type you press the comma and T. Okay, so it's very nice. Let's say hello again. Header dot PHP. So now I want to open nursery. I will comma T. I want to close it, comma T. I want to open it, comma T. And I want to open a new tab, a file in new tab. And T. We don't have nursery. Then I want to open it. Then command T. I want to close it, command T. Very, very, very useful. And I don't need to type a lot of things. So so this is a mapping in Vim. It will help us to have a to create our own shortcut. Okay, so we can map the short like we can have our mapping for the command so that we don't need to type the common command again and again. The thing is we just need to use some short command, some short command like like I have used that I use a comma with T. So let's recap. Remember that the mapping in Vim will map some key to your command and be follow the best practice that you should have a map leader first. After that, you can map the command to 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 your own key. Okay, so that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it to your friend, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below this video. I will spend my time to answer it as soon as possible. And if you don't want to miss my latest video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click to the bell icon so it will notify it to you when I publish a new video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.